Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to add a review using Jasmine app. So first of all, I would like to say that I already installed the Jasmine review, so it's time to install Jasmine AliExpress review. So I'm gonna click the install. So I have to wait for a moment, so let me open this. I feel hot. Okay guys, I'm really sorry for that because I cannot skip this part because I don't have a time too much to edit this video. So that's why I'm really sorry for that. So first of all, I'm gonna install that, and after a moment I'm gonna exactly import the review from AliExpress for my two product. Okay, so yeah, maybe it will take some time to be installed. Okay, so I have a lot of product, you know. So in my store I use like the auto res for my client store. So you can see here is auto res shipping. Okay, so all I have to do, just I have to wait for a moment because my net problem, maybe I'm not sure. Okay, so for what product I'm gonna import the review. So first of all I will, okay, so I will cut it, import the product with AliExpress. Okay, so I already have a product, import review. So I'm gonna click here, import review. Okay, so my client giving me message, so let me find out what message he giving me. Okay, so he giving me this one. So I said that to give me okay, let's message to my team member. Okay, so guys, it's my two product. I will use the review for the two product. Okay, you can see here will the reviews. Oh my god, a lot of review. Okay, so I will find out this one from AliExpress, right? You can say I will image, I will copy this. Okay, I will image search, like search with get image description from Google. I don't want that. Copy QR code, no. I want to search this with Google. Okay, so I can say there is no option for that. Okay, no problem. Let's I will open the AliExpress. ALIEX AliExpress. So from AliExpress I will exactly where it is, this one. So first of all I will find out from my store. So I will click the product. First of all I will find out the product name, for which product I'm gonna add the product review, right? You can see that's really important. So for the season I will click the search option, and from here I will paste it here, and from that I will exactly select this product, and then I will copy this product name to find out this product name to add review. So whenever I will open this AliExpress product review, I have to paste this, I have to find out this title, right? So what I can do exactly, so first of all I will wait, I have to wait for a moment. So I'll control F control B to, oh I didn't be able to copy that. Let's go again where it is. Oh, I'm really sorry for that because, you know, I make a mistake because I didn't copy this product name. So that's why I will go into B's and I will paste it, and this product will come once again. Oh, this is didn't come. Okay, this is haven't come, so I'm gonna click on that, and then I'm gonna copy this product name, full copy. I'm gonna copy the full product name. So let's copy again to ensure about that. So okay, let's find out the product. Control F control B to find out this product. Oh my god, they have a lot of product. How I can find this product to add reviews? Oh, there is a search option, that's great. Okay, so I will find out this. So you can see this product will come in front of me, and then I will first of all I will find out this app. I will find it the product link. There have a lot of reviews, right? So for this one I'm gonna go to the AliExpress, aliexpress.com, and I'm gonna add the product where it is. I'm gonna copy this and copy, and then I'm gonna paste under the AliExpress, right on over here for the image. Okay, control V, that's maybe didn't copy. Let's copy again like this one. I'm gonna copy, and then I'm gonna paste on the AliExpress. Still loading, so I have to wait for a moment. We don't have to worry too much about that because they have a loading problem, you know. My net connection may be a little bit problem, I'm not sure about that. Let's click here and let's control window piece. It should come here. Okay, so let's download. Let's click here. Okay, so I have to first, let's download this image to find out this kind of, okay, I have option to find AliExpress product. Got that. So I will copy, search it, and then this extension will show me AliExpress product. Then from here I will exactly select this product. There, this extension only show me like this kind of product that I pasted this image URL on this collection, on this extension. So this extension will show me a lot of AliExpress product. So you can see my have a lot of net problems, so we have to wait for that. I think it's really difficult to wait to get something, but we have to wait, you know. Without waiting, we cannot see this kind of video on YouTube, because usually people don't show their secret and don't show their what kind of extension they are using, what kind of stuff exactly they are doing. They don't want to show, because if they're learning by some paid course, so if they show for free, it will be harmful for that. They feel that, oh, I buy a course, I learn, but people without buying course, how, why I will show? They're not gonna show you. So that's why we have to wait. So I think we should, we should keep this product name so that I can get this product. Okay, so let's copy this. So I will copy this product name and then I will paste on over there. Okay, let's try this out. Let's try to find out this kind of product. Okay, so I will click the best order and it will filter. There have a lot of reviews, so this product have a lot of review. So let's see how much review I have of this product. Where it took me. I don't want like that. I want to click the full product, and then I'm just gonna see this review. Oh my god, a lot of review. So I think this is the great product for me. Let's open this product, and from this product I'm gonna exactly copy this product URL. You can see there are a lot of there are less reviews. I'll try to find out this product, how I can open link in YouTube. Let's try to find out. Let's copy this. Oh, I cannot copy. How, why this is coming this way? I don't want like that. So what I can do for that, to enter, I can copy this product URL and not this one. I'm not looking this. I look this product. There are 364 reviews. So what I can do, let's copy again, let's paste to find this product. Okay, there are a lot of reviews, so I can try with this product. Let's go to the AliExpress and let's paste it here and let's import. Let's click the import. So what I can here, you can filter something. So I can number of reviews. Okay, 15 reviews enough. So yeah, I think I will keep it as it. So input reviews. Oh, there was show more. Okay, this product, this review will import reviews for this product. View input processing. So it will show me started the processing, importing reviews from AliExpress for this. Okay, so we have to wait for a moment. So after a moment, we will see that we have been able to add this product. So now let's move into the next product, which is this one. So I'm gonna copy it and then I'm gonna go to my store and then I will find out this product. Okay, so I will paste it here and it will find out this product. Okay, I think this one. So what I can do, I have to find, I will copy it and then I will again paste it on the AliExpress and then I will find this kind of product. So let's click the order. So I can see this one. There are very less reviews. There are 5-star reviews. Let's click on that and let's find out. Yes, I also filter it. So let's see how many reviews. Only one reviews. What is that? What's wrong? This product have less reviews. Okay, no problem. This is also 5-star, no problem. So let's find out that there are more reviews. let's see which product have a lot of reviews. There's a 2 reviews. I think I can also, there's a 1 reviews. Let's find out more. There have a lot of reviews, so I think, okay, this one, let's open it. Let's see how many review have this product. Oh, this, finally I got that, so I will copy this. Where it is, this one, right? No, this one. So I'll copy this product name, and first of all also I have to, what one more thing I have to copy. Do you know what it is? This product, sorry, this product name. So I will find out this product name on the Jasmine. So I'll paste it, and then it will filter, and then it will give me this product title. So I will just paste the URL. So this URL AliExpress, I will click the import, and then let's see advanced mode settings, what I can do. Minimum review count 5. Oh, I didn't do it. Previous reviews must have the picture, not input reviews. Let's do it. Okay, finally I got that. So also this review is importing, so after a moment I will see this review. Okay, so one more thing I want to do, which is like I will go to this store, and then I will import this, I will input the widget on this, on my store. So I will click customization, and I have to wait for a moment. So let's see how someone messages me, any team member messages me on WhatsApp. Term of the kursi at kursi, another product basic name. Okay, so guys, one more thing, let me show you. So yeah, this way after a moment you will see these reviews. So let's show this review on the product pages, right? So that's why I have to go to the product page, and from here I will click on it, and then I will click there, and then I have to wait for a moment, and I will scroll down. Okay, so I will import this reviews product apps. Let's add the blog. So I will click here, and then Jasmine carousel, it will add here. So input from 20 reviews. So yeah, people gonna see review here if have these product reviews. So I will also do one more stuff, which is, okay, so I will keep it as it is. Let's save it, and from here whenever it will be installed and all the product will be input, then it will come into this store. Okay, so I will keep it this video here. So if you like this video, let me know, and also if you don't like, also let me know. I will try to improve my English communication, my talking style, my learning, my teaching style. You know, every people making mistakes, so that's why I'm also making mistake. So you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and click the subscribe button, and comment below what is your experience for this video. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.